Hi, товарищ Dumpling.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. So today we'll be going pin hunting. We're going to try to find some Soviet pins on a local flea market. Flea market. And to me, the most important ones are всегда готов, which means like always ready and was given to pioneers. And also I want to find one that was given to people who accomplished to pass an exam on their physical level.
Physical norms.
Physical norms, yeah.
All the people passed in order to be prepared for the war.
Yeah. So I want to find that one, and also probably the one from the parade, one of the parades of the Red Square.
Yeah, and I'm going treasure hunting. I'm always trying to find something, some like
Treasures.
treasure.
Like gold, pirate gold.
Yeah, like
old-
maybe abandoned painting from the famous artist.
The Lost Ivan the Terrible
Yeah.
library, yeah, I know.
Or the crown that no one noticed before, but I will understand that that's a treasure.
But I'm afraid it's a little bit too loud here because we have to go through the touristy part to get to the flea market now. So it all looks like that.
So explain. Yesterday was the birthday of Moscow, 800.
Oh yeah, really?
53 years.
It was yesterday?
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's why they celebrate. So happy birthday, Moscow.
Happy birthday, Moscow. But let's pass.
Let's pass.
We'll meet you in the flea market
wow,
already.
Look at this, guys.
Where is some Soviet?
New Year
Soviet
ornaments.
New Year. Hmm?
Yeah, you need New Year ornaments.
Ornaments?
Yes, they are called ornaments.
Not toys.
No, ornaments. Christmas ornaments.
Okay.
Let's go like this.
I see Brezhnev.
Wow,
There is
that's
Brezhnev.
Brezhnev. Free
And
Albania.
This one says to the Democratic Republic of Vietnam 30 years.
Wow.
From 1975, do you want it?
You know, I do. That part is like a pop-up show.
Mm.
So people just come here. Yeah. So people just come there and they put everything that they don't need on sale without any license. And there they have the rented spaces.
Here also. I think
Oh,
here
really?
also, yeah.
Okay.
It's an official part. Oh, I see some signs.
Oh,
I
wow.
really love signs.
Не
But
курить.
those I don't like at all. Yeah, this one says do not smoke. And this one, it's too hard to translate. But they also have some old Soviet coins.
Look at that.
Those I don't really like, but I like those. And this one, this little pin, it says a warrior, sportsman, warrior.
Oh.
And a Rybinsk, actually, a wait for a video from Rybinsk. Soon
Yeah.
it will be.
We are going there.
Oh, I like this one. It says ударник коммунистического труда, which means the worker of the communist labor, and also the person who was really good in communist labor. I also really like this one, which says always ready. That's the one actually that I was searching for. Should we ask how much it is?
Здравствуйте.
Okay, let's go further. I think we'll find more.
That's it. А что такое БГТО? То есть готов к трудообороне, а Б?
Это университеты, где вот это все право белорусский государственный вот это.
Это белорусская версия. Ух ты.
This one is a uniform of the traffic police of USSR,
Wow.
1975.
Cool. These guys are unstoppable. Once you start talking to them, you'll never leave this place.
Просто обалдеть. Серьезно, попробуй. Тихо, не наступи меня.
Да, так сладенько.
Ну, классно, запах. А Киллин вообще бомба. Ну, Киллин дорогой. Это могу за 1000 отдать, но это 2,5. Этот стоит дорого. Это шедевр.
Ух ты. Да, на Шанель похоже тоже.
Шанель рядом с таким не лежал. Они просто не лежали. Это как Мерседес и Жигули сравнивать. Вот это Мерседес, а Шанель Жигули.
Film him?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But I don't need the perfume
But
now.
I found Putin Matryoshka,
Oh, Путина трешка.
my favorite.
Yes.
But not that interesting. It's not that old. I suggest we go further into the market
Let's do
and stop
that.
exploring this particular lane.
Okay. О, стаканники.
Oh, that's the подстаканник we showed you on the trip to Kazan.
Yeah.
I suggest we go further into the market.
Let's do that.
Because I think there we can find some bigger things, maybe like some samovars, some icons, some flags with Lenin. I think that are there. Oh, I see a big urn for the ashes of a body with crumble.
Really?
Yeah. That's pretty strange. And also I see traditional boxes, but I'm not sure if that's palette. They look like fake. So to spot
Olympic
the fake.
bear.
Yeah, Olympic bear.
Она счастливая. Хорошо.
Мы правильно понимаем, что это урна для праха, да?
Вы чего,
Нет?
вы обалдели, что ли?
А что это?
Ну это же вручали, вы чего?
А, это кубок, наверное, да?
Ну придумали.
A little mistake.
Here they sell some things that you don't really need, I guess. Not the Soviet things,
Yeah.
just some random.
Clothes, fur coat.
Like that one.
О,
That's my
вау.
love.
Черная, которая хотела 500-600.
Грузинский.
Чай грузинский экстра.
Класс.
Шелк или не знаю.
Мне
А сколько
нравится.
такая коробочка?
Фарет, чай почем?
Угу. Возьмем?
Ну, мне нравится, да. Классная.
Давайте мы возьмем ее у вас.
Спасибо.
The first buy. A box for tea. I see some posters.
They are great.
Lots of them are about victory in the war.
Most of them.
Yeah, actually all of them are about the victory in the war. Either dedicated to fleet or to air force or to just soldiers. But yeah, let's go to the main part. This is the old iron. Тяжелый? Do you wanna use one of those? I guess you have to put coal inside.
Yeah.
It's so cool. It's like going through the museum, but you can buy everything
And touch.
and touch everything. A perfect museum. So
Like
how much it is?
5 kilos,
Do you know? How much it can be?
We can ask.
Should we ask?
We should. Let me go.
А вот такой вот? Угу. Maybe we should get one.
It's too huge. How you will
But it's a
carry
small one. So one old iron of the last century, 500 rubles, which is
less than $10.
Yeah, like a cup of coffee for last century iron. Would you do it?
Would you buy it?
Would you buy it?
I'm like a small things person.
So I also really want to find some street signs. I'm really into street signs, so
Yeah, me
I would
too.
love to find some Soviet one. Especially, I would like to find this one, which is like circular and then it has a triangle on the top.
The typical last century street
Yeah,
sign.
yeah, yeah. I don't see a lot of them, but I love them.
Yeah, I also adore the number plates. I have one from Le Havre that I found on the street and brought to Nikita. But I would love to collect them as well.
Yeah, let's try to find it.
Yeah.
Here it's more like an arty part.
Yeah. A crafty art.
Let's try to find the part with the signs.
Yeah. Let's do
I
it.
think it could be on the other side.
There.
There? Okay. And also, I'll be buying a couple of pins. I'll be buying a couple of those Soviet pins, definitely.
Yeah, me too.
So let's
Here
go
it's more
to
like ceramics.
Yeah.
I think we need to go back. I saw
Yeah,
them
I
there.
think so.
Yeah.
You can find here
irons.
pretty much everything. You can find here icons. You can find here Soviet flags, Soviet pins,
Soviet cars.
Soviet cars.
Kids.
Yeah, like that one. You can find here whatever you want, and we think it's much better than just regular souvenirs, right?
And it's cheap.
And for the price, yeah.
Yeah.
Last century iron, $8. What you can find for $8? Like a
Yeah,
loaf
I
of
was-
bread.
If you compare it to the market, like flea market in
And
Paris.
samovars, they have some samovars. And that bear, that kind of bear, my mom had one.
Oh, and I had.
Yeah?
I played with that. I called him Misha, of course.
Of course, yeah, because in Russian,
Bear is Mishka.
bear is medved, or if it's a cute bear,
It's
Mishka.
I
So.
see your signs.
Science, yeah, finally. Так. Вот этот хочешь?
Cool.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Let's ask for the price. And you can also be a traffic police guy.
Oh, I would love to. And what is that?
Рубанок.
Ага.
Да.
That's basically for leaving your shoes like that. You put your leg here and it goes off.
And
Or
this
you can
other
do
one.
it for the lady.
Yeah, for the lady. Здрасте.
Да, здравствуйте.
А сколько жук-денчик?
Вот этот 4000, он латунный. Эти по 1500.
Ага. Они из чего? Ага. Ну, пойдем, наверное, еще просмотрим.
Ну, давай,
Что
да.
есть какие опции.
Давай.
Если что, мы к вам придем как
Да.
минимум за жуком-денчиком.
Точно.
So you can find here basically all the different signs, any sign you wish, any street name you wish, you can find here the Soviet version. But we haven't found yet the cool ones, the ones that I love so much.
Yeah, the round ones. But I want the Revolution Street. That's
You want the Revolution Street? And that one, of course.
or
yeah.
Lenin's. It's like.
But you don't want as a simple sign, right? Simple sign is too simple.
Yeah.
Okay. But by the way, if you're coming here and you want to buy some icons,
Don't.
Yeah, you better don't. It will be just really hard on the customs when you cross the border, because lots of them can be considered cultural heritage.
Yeah, because everything which is older than 70 years old is considered a cultural heritage, and
Yeah,
you
by
need to have-
default.
you need to have a paper that proves it's not
Yes.
culturally important, which is not about the newspapers or decorative art.
Yeah, it means precisely the art, the high art. And to get that kind of piece of paper that states that it's not cultural heritage, you have to go to the Ministry of Culture.
Yeah.
And they basically do it in a couple of days, and you have to pay something like $15 per piece.
Yeah, so it's
And they do it.
possible.
Yes. It's just a little bit hard, and you have to have some extra time.
Yeah, so everything which is mass-produced, you can take it with you, and customs won't tell you anything. Something which is like a single piece, it's harder. Like that.
Yeah, like this kind of icons. So we found a gem.
Yeah, we found
200
something that we
rubles.
were searching for a long time.
Yeah, for $3, we finally bought. Let's go for here.
How is it called?
Powder, tooth powder to clean your teeth with Wedenha. It's a famous Wedenha, the famous exhibition area. Still
Yeah.
exists, but before they also made branded things. One of them is this one, and that's the first time we see it. We knew about it. We actually even
Saw it in museum.
yeah, we saw it in the museum. We saw it. We show it as a picture to our tourists, and now we can show it to our tourists as an actual thing.
Yeah, it's so cool. For $2.
And, no, it's $2.50 for a piece
This is
of
a treasure,
history.
really, because they were not mass-produced. They were the souvenirs, but you won't find them anymore because that epoch actually stopped. So this is like
Yeah.
a treasure.
Okay, let's scout for some more things.
Yay.
I think I see a little Lenin. But I don't want a Lenin. I don't want a little Lenin.
No?
No, I don't
Not
think
your
so.
style?
I don't think so. I'm not really into little Lenins.
I like that one.
A leaf? No. But I see подстаканники also. So this подстаканник is with Kremlin and some spaceships, probably. It was dedicated to the space race or whatever. So a little update. We haven't talked with you for a while because we were too busy exploring everything and looking at things. and for some of them we don't know how they're called in English, so,
And
so they're a little
so
bit
old,
scored.
yeah.
And they're so old, but they're so cool. And for now, we haven't found yet that street sign.
The ideal street
The
sign.
ideal
Yes, so-
street sign, I'm still searching. I see old car sign.
Yeah.
I see lots of troikas.
Oh,
Lots of troika cards.
that's how many of them I have.
So we bought a couple of pins. We got this one, which is about that you're a member of Communist Party, and we also got this one, which was given to those who were very good in their communist labor. Udarniki.
So it means
Товарищи
that,
ударники.
yeah, they worked very well on their factory, and they worked without any weekend, whenever they were told to.
Yeah, like Katya's grandma.
Like my grandma.
We'll go see the flags, and we'll try to finalize that street sign, and we have to get a little bit more pins.
You have this like
Street
crazy
sign.
fetish.
And I also
Street
yeah,
sign.
I also want to know how much is a prelka.
Okay.
Giant
Oh,
linen.
yeah.
Would you like one?
I
Oh,
want.
you can also get a Stalin linen.
Oh, cool. Look at these chairs. And прялки.
Okay. Those aren't like I need the ones with horses, because I know the ones with horses are cool. Those are simple ones. Those are the cheap
Yeah,
ones.
for the very poor farmers.
Yeah, we need the ones with black horses.
Yeah.
So, guys,
Update.
just I love it. I love Russian flea markets because of the price. So we've spent right now $15, a little bit less, and we got that, which was given to the hero of the communist labor, and you could actually write the name down here. So we'll be showing it to tourists. And we also got some coins. What's interesting is that we got coins from Nicholas the second time, and the coin, Katya was against it, but I was not. It's a coin of 1811 of the War of Napoleon. War
Okay,
of
yeah.
with Napoleon period. It's so cool. So it's an artifact of an actual war, and that's the money that were actually made. Fake money like that were made by French army a lot. So to destabilize the economical system of Russia.
Wow.
So we don't know actually. I don't know. I cannot
It's a
tell
fake
if it's
one
a
or
fake
real.
made by French soldiers, or it's a real one made by Alexander I. Imagine we have now a coin of Alexander I period, printed on a Moscow mint, which you can visit nowadays.
Imagine how many viruses are stuck on it and microbes.
I know, but how much history?
Okay, yeah.
People, maybe
Wash your hands.
maybe Pierre Bezukhov from War and Peace was paying for his for 15
His
lemons,
beer.
if I remember properly. 15 lemons you could get for this kind of a coin. That's so cool. Maybe Leo Tolstoy was paying with it,
Yeah, or grandpa of Leo Tolstoy.
or grandpa of Leo Tolstoy. I think it's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
And it's just $15 for coins of 3 epochs and a hero of communist labor thing. Guys, we are finishing our video. We finally found the pins that we were searching for. So, oops. One looks like that. So Lenin flames and it says always ready. It was given to pioneers. When they were becoming pioneers, they were given a red tie and this kind of a pin. And also there is another one. Lenin is in flames but in a star.
And that one was given to the heads of pioneers, like commanders.
Yeah, commanders of pioneers. And on that we're finishing our video. Unfortunately we couldn't find the street sign that I was searching for. No street sign like that at all.
We have to steal it.
Yeah. What? Don't say it on video. But anyway, yeah. And see you in the next one. Hope you enjoyed our little tour of Moscow Flea Market.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, товарищ.